Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to post grid photos on Instagram like a pro. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and ensure that you are logged in to your account. Now, open the Play Store or App Store, search for and install the GridMaker app. Once it's installed, open the GridMaker app and click on the GridMaker option. You can choose to watch or skip the tutorial, then select the image you'd like to split. Next, select the rectangular ratio to match your desired grid layout. Then, choose the number of grids based on the size of your image. After that, an ad will play and your photo will be split. You will then need to post the images in the correct order, based on their assigned numbers. Start by selecting image 1, tap on the Instagram app, and choose Feed. Then, fit the image using the Fit icon, located at the bottom left corner. Go ahead and add a caption if you'd like, and then post the image. But make sure it has been fully uploaded before moving on. After that, select image 2 and repeat the same steps. You're going to do this for all the images, but always remember to fit each image before posting. Once you're done, go to your Instagram profile grid, and there you will find your beautifully arranged grid photo. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.